In episode 27, we visit Brookwood Cemetery to learn about the tragedy of railwayman John Spencer. This is one of 4 episodes Aaron and Daddy are filming as part of our Railway200 activities. A train on it. Brookwood Cemetery is 220 acres, so it took us a while to find his grave.
John Spencer is buried in a railwaymen's section at Brookwood Cemetery, off St Pancras Avenue.
So 1825 saw the first passenger railway. In 1830, the Liverpool to Manchester Railway opened. The London and Southwest Railway Act of 1834 began the building of the southwestern main line. The line reached Woking Station in 1838 and was extended to Southampton by 1840. However, it wasn't until 1848 that Waterloo replaced Nine Elms as the London terminus.
John Spencer! Well, how come he's right here and not? He will be over there.
So this is the railwayman section of the graveyard, and there is John Spencer. That's his grave.
John Spencer died in 1865. There was a little health and safety in running railways.
He died by rail accident, aged only 27. His death highlighted the need for greater standards of safety in railwayman work. What a lovely job you're doing, Aaron. Lovely. Just got a little bit more to the left and you get the E and the R.
What's that?
That's a C. That's a C. So you got the E and the R still to do. The 14th of October 1865 edition of the Hampshire Chronicle documents John Spencer's death, which was recorded by the coroner as an accidental death. The 7:15 p.m. service from Southampton to London, the deceased was sober and in good health, according to engineer William Watson. Near Winchester, he said he had a pain in his bowels and went to the back of the tender. There he proceeded, as a joke, to urinate, standing straight up on the train and with no street lighting for reference. He misjudged the closeness of the train to the St Cross Tunnel and was hit on the head by the tunnel arch.
Oh, a tram.
You could. I don't think you'll have many customers though, but yeah, you could have one here.
Here is his death certificate of John Spencer from the UK.
This railway accident was one of several which helped form the Regulation of Railways Act in 1871. This provided formal powers for investigators to look into rail accidents. Brilliant, Aaron. Your first job is got to update your number of subscribers. We conclude the day with a trip from Brookwood to Woking to visit the arcade.
If you need any help or any assistance, please do ask me. Currently located in the 7th coach of the same coach train and I'll be available at each station stop.
Very good. We celebrate Aaron's adventures, but we've still got quite a way to go to match his hero, Jeff Marshall. Do subscribe to be kept up to date on future episodes of our Woking Railway Heritage series for Railway200. Our next episode exploring the London and Southwestern Railway Servants' Orphanage, which was based in Woking.